But yeah.
Okay, cool.
Let's do this.
So Ian is borrowing this 360 camera, trying different modes, and you can see how that looks. But yeah, my camera, fresh from being attacked the other night in Plymouth, and we're just seeing whether it still works. It looks all right.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Probably look better if I actually bothered to clean the lens, but
It's been in battle.
It has. It's got some scars, so yeah. So thank you, Mr. Ian K. Something. I won't say his surname. I do know what it is, but I'll keep it secret. But
Yeah,
yeah.
well,
Yeah.
I think a load of people know about it.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Okay, Ian K. something. Please show us the way.
Show us the way. Right. So it's going to be awkward. This is. You've got to be careful because at the bottom it's not as dangerous anymore. But at the bottom, years ago.
Do you want me to hand down?
That should be right. Yeah. But years ago, down the bottom, it used to. It gets to the bottom like it's a T-junction, so it goes into the tunnels that way. But off this way, it goes off a slope down, and it used to go off the edge of the cliff.
Okay.
So it's not like that now. I think they've boarded it up. Let's see what we've got here.
Here we go, folks.
There it is.
Oh yeah. Cheers.
Yeah, once Matt's, oh God, yeah. Once Matt's in there, then you'd never need another light again.
No, that's it. It's quite handy.
And Matt's got a new Steadicam.
Yeah.
He's trying that out, so
See if it's better than
he's
the
going to get more
camera.
subscribers than me soon. It's the secret to success, folks. It's not where you go and it's not what you know. It's just you've got a Steadicam.
Yeah.
Or you hang around and smooch about with really famous YouTubers like Ian. You know, just name drop a lot.
Yeah.
Join the Josh and I don't know, Steve Ronin. Just drop all them names. Drop all them names and then
Proper people.
suddenly, oh, the proper people, yeah. I've been
Oh, I
watching the
love
proper
them.
people before any of the people who I know now.
Yeah.
The proper people, yeah, right. They're the early sort of guys in doing this stuff. Yeah. And another one I like as well, which I never really talk about, but I can tell you now. And it's a guy that nobody really knows who he is. He's called the Dying Buddha. And he does urbex videos, and he does stuff like Ali Law, where he climbs up to the top of buildings and things. He's doing it before anybody.
Right.
But nobody knows who he is. He doesn't say a word. He's totally silent.
Huh.
And he just sort of like points with his finger like door. And then seconds later, it's like he's through the door without an explanation. It's magic tricks. How did he get through the door? Yeah. And that's what I like about it. It's just all silent.
Yeah.
It's all over the world. And good stuff.
Proper unknown.
Yeah.
That's
Like a
it.
World War II history hunter. No one knows his face looks like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's Dying Lama or Dying Buddha. One of the things. But, yeah, he doesn't do many videos anymore. I'm not seeing many updates from him, but you just go through his back catalogue. It is good. Very good. Anyway, why am I pointing at me? What's the point of pointing at me when I can be pointing down there? It's a steeple. Isn't it? I can get away with that saying that.
Well, ladies and gents, I don't know if this is legit, but danger. Venomous animals risk a serious injury or death.
Oh bloody hell.
It's a bit of a
Rattlesnakes.
woo. It's a bit of a
Snakes in a
slippery.
cave, ladies and gentlemen.
It's not terribly bad, but it's
Watch out.
slippy.
Watch out for the venomous snakes, Matt.
Really?
Yeah.
Hope no one's planted anything down here.
Wow.
Well, so watch this here. This is a slope off the edge of the cliff.
Oh, right. That's always nice to know. As long as.
That is an overhang.
And how far down does that go? Do you know?
It's probably about 80 feet, maybe more. I'm not sure.
Oh, nice.
That tin used to be across there, that to sort of, and people put up mud against it to protect people from falling down it. But
That's
obviously someone's kicked
something,
it through.
Yeah.
That's bad. That is.
That is, yeah.
Is that the way to the cliff?
Yeah.
And that goes out. It's over the
Yeah, that
overhang.
is, yeah.
Oh, really?
So
So
if it drops down straight down to the beach, there's no slope on it. It's just bang straight down. Probably about 80 feet down.
if you get this far, what I'm saying is, don't bother.
Right, ladies and gents, this is inside the Dover Cliffs.
Nice and cool. Let's move on. Very cool. It's raining.
Yeah, it does look a bit misty.
I've got to get my first proper fixed breathing thing with proper filters.
Oh, you got one of it?
I got one today. Well, I didn't. bringing it from the car, but yeah, should go around these places. It's quite misty, isn't it? Or dusty.
I haven't seen it like this before down there. Never seen it. I've been out a hell of a lot of time. I've not seen it like this before.
I think it's because it's such a hot, humid day today. It's condensing now, and this is cloud. You know? This is literally cloud. Because we've had it before, we go down to like a large sloping chamber, like huge, like 500 feet. You get halfway down, and there's clouds forming in the middle.
Yeah.
You're just hanging around.
So was this an air raid shelter then?
I don't know what this was.
If any of you people watching this are from the Dover area and know what this is, please let me know.
He's got things that can for monetization reasons.
Looks like some sort of air raid shelter.
Did you see that? What on the bloke? Yeah.
Really? Okay, yes, and
Oh dear, Jesus Christ, come on.
you're getting famous now, man. You're the boogeyman with the woolly hanging out, the large anti-monetization features.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh my God!
So yeah, this is all accommodation for the battery of, I think it was St Martin's battery or the Z Rocket battery. It's one of them, so it's a bit confusing between. People say it was the Z Rocket propulsion battery, but
I remember hearing about that Z Rocket. Did they end up doing something on the Isle of Wight with that as well?
yeah, similar. Yeah, sounds
On the rock face of the Isle of Wight,
Yeah.
on the far
The
side.
needles, is it?
That's right, yeah.
Mm.
And there's still some bits of the concrete still there. But, it's hard to believe that somewhere close to civilization they were testing rocket engines and things like that nearby. But these look like the old.
Air raid shelters, you reckon?
Oh yeah, it's reminiscent of like London Undergrounds and
Yeah.
things like that, and the road to bunker at Portland a little bit. That's more circular, isn't it, with the screw in?
Yeah, that's probably
bolts.
like the London tubes, isn't it? Tube castings. And yeah, look, there's damp on the floor. Look, this is
wood we're walking on, but
Yeah.
it's so destroyed. It's become like a nice padded
it's all the lining.
padded floor. So these wooden bits would have gone, as you can see here, probably up and around. So you thought you were in a nice little enclosed area, but from a health and safety point of view, making it much more fire risk prone.
Yeah, definitely.
You'd be better off with a metal rather than bits of wood like that. Turn it into a tinderbox.
Yeah.
But I suppose they wanted to make things look homely. If it was for the public.
Yeah, this wasn't for public though.
No.
This was.
Well, as Matt was saying, looks like a sort
An Anderson
of
shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice though, it's roomy once you get in.
Yeah, it's nice and cool.
Nice and cool, yeah. We've lost the moisture. Look, we can see ahead again now. So the moisture was at a specific point on the way in.
The first time I come in here was 2004. They used to have pigeons in here.
Does that take you
You
back?
just come into the entrance and the pigeons used to, because you're walking in, the pigeons used to just walk in, and obviously you'd be chasing them into the tunnel.
Yeah.
And yeah, they soon went. In the old years past.
So is this quite a large series of tunnels then, is it?
It's just it's like a rectangle shaped really layout.
Concrete.
Where does that go? Do you know?
That's another entrance that goes up. It can go up there. Goes quite far. It shows you how far underground we are.
We'll save that for later then.
So in orientation, where would you say, does it come out near the monument and things we were at?
I think it's near that. It must be around near that gate.
Yeah.
You come through around there somewhere. Must be. It goes up there and it goes up another flight of stairs like this. Well, if everyone look at it.
So these tunnels look to be fairly big, guys.
slow speed stuff. It's like back up on the 50s and 60s now.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's nice.
It's again, I don't know what these concrete things are.
They almost look like urinals.
Yeah.
Separating things. So you've got one there, another one there. All we really need would be a sheet, I suppose, to keep it separated.
Yeah. So the one entrance to come in was had a roof to it.
Mm-hmm.
And these ones.
Yeah, you can see the wood. Otherwise it should have been.
This is felt lining. Maybe that would come up to that point and then it felt from that point over.
Right, so it looks like we're back towards the start now, I think. So yeah, if any of you guys know what this is, possibly an air raid shelter, storage. But yeah, all I will say is it's in Dover, and you park by a monument. But yeah guys, we've been really busy lately, so stay tuned because we have got a lot of mad videos on the way.
So seriously then, you don't know who wrote IKS on the monster, black monster thing?
It's obviously I'm the monster.
Do you think that monster was there for a while and somebody just put that on there?
Yeah, I reckon that's because somebody's seen his video maybe and then come down here and thought, oh, he'll be back, do you know what I mean? So they've left
That
that as
wasn't
a
their
little,
last
little
time,
present for you, yeah.
Well, I mean, the thing is, it's kind of flattering in a way. I mean, I'd say that, you know, somebody's recognised your work.
Oh,
and,
they've obviously put a little
they're
bit of
having a
time
laugh,
into that,
aren't
yeah.
they? They're having a laugh
Yeah.
and they just want you to have a laugh when you come back and see it.
Yeah, get the old haters and that. I've seen worse stuff in the tunnels.
Really?
Yeah, swastikas and all that.
What, with your name and... Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no need for that.
Nah, just got to laugh it off. Those
Well, I mean,
doesn't wind me up. You know, it's not. It's,
I mean, you know, just because we're all in the Hitler Youth, I mean, and it's no need to be personal, you know.
yeah, that's
So,
it.
yeah. So, yeah. Okay then.
No, let's,
Another entrance.
let's take a walk to the top of the stairs.
Okay. So a similar sort of thing this time then. Same layout here with the things. And maybe going down there. Stairs. Does this one go anywhere?
This one goes up same as the other ones, really.
Yeah. Now this is a different thing. This is almost like material this time.
Sandbags
Hessian.
maybe.
Hessian sandbags.
I think this would have been the entrance where the ventilation would have come down, and that was the line, the lagging
Mm-hmm.
for the ventilation pipe. So that's all been chucked down there.
Right.
So that's part of the vents there. That's just chucked down there.
Okay.
Okay. Cool.
And the stairs from the other entrances, the stairs are all different. These stairs seem to be longer, and the other
Yeah.
entrances are shorter.
Right. I'm getting a weird feeling walking up here, like as if I'm. Like, it's a strange sort of angle or something.
It is a very strange angle.
I think it's because these things are bent back, and it looks like we should be walking in a straight way, but like this. But because that's bent back, and the illusion is that it's falling backwards, and I feel like I'm falling backwards and falling towards the back, but it's strange. It's like a vertigo thing. And it did in the game then. It's like I feel like going like that.
Feels like you're running out of air as well.
I was thinking maybe it's something to do with impending death, but haven't started seeing a tunnel yet in my vision. You know, like.
So that goes up another staircase like the one we just come up, pretty much the same sort of depth.
Right.
But that's be backfilled for the top.
Yeah. They say if you think you're suffering from oxygen deprivation, you should ask yourself what's 1 and 1, what's 2 and 2. When you start seeing black around the edges of your eyes, you better be careful.
So if you look up here, you can see where the tunnel lining goes up. It's quite, you don't really usually see that through the top of the tunnels. So obviously it's all blocked off usually.
Oh yes.
Makes you wonder what sort of graffiti is behind the tin done by the Royal Engineers.
Yeah. Oh, you know it.
Never ever see that again.
No.
Take the tunnel apart.
Tell a story.
Yeah. There's graffiti up the other staircases from 1950s, I think.
Yeah, you see a lot of it in box.
Right.
A lot of the old miners leaving their little mark on the wall.
Yeah, that's really cool. That is. Done like lamps and stuff, isn't it?
Not too sure. Might be the best to ask for that. I think it was lamps or charcoal or something like that.
Yeah. Right, and this goes round to the other end, which was just on earlier.
Cool.
I don't know if you wanted to have a look at the other staircase.
Yeah, let's go look at everything.
Yeah, might as well have
Yeah,
it.
this one.
Okay.
Just simple layout, really, don't they? Nothing complex.
Yeah.
Yeah, simple but effective, but you know, so much of it done in secrecy. What I find now is that unless people are actually shown that the stuff is there and it's around them in their places they live, a lot of people find it mind-blowing or hard to believe, you know, that this stuff is here. A lot of places they try to make out, oh no, it's all crumbled in or flooded and things like that. And when you actually manage to get near it, you find it really isn't. You know, it's still accessible and it's all still there.
That's sort of a bit bent, isn't it? It's not straight at all, is it?
Hmm.
Do you think it's like tilting to the left
Yeah.
or something?
Hopefully it was built
It is
like
just
that,
a little bit.
subsiding.
If it is subsiding, let's not hang about.
Let's see if you're standing up straight compared to it. Or hold a plumb line down, you do, don't you? See whether it's an optical illusion again. They're very tall steps as well. You can't really step out of them.
It's deep, isn't it?
Hmm. Is that sealed off there?
Yeah, that's concrete.
Right guys, I'm not walking up there just to show you a wall.
Does that look like, it looks like planks of wood?
Yeah, it goes.
But
I
it's-
thought it might have gone round or something.
No, that's it. That would have been the entrance at the top.
But guys, feel free to come down here and do that second flight.
And that concrete there is probably from the block out. Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the drill marks in the walls. From the oh yeah, there's drills.
Would they have put dynamite?
I don't think it was dynamite, just the pneumatic drills.
Oh, this is taller, this one. This one goes on for quite a distance. Wow. The rods at the top is that graffiti. Yeah, somebody's managed to push down some rubble. Part of the blockhouse. Yeah, billboard style.
Oh, there you go, guys. I think we're gonna start making our way out in a second. But this is the tunnels underneath Dover Cliffs. Or should I say inside Dover Cliffs. As I said, ladies and gents, we've got plenty more videos on the way. I mean, we're in Dover tonight, day one. And yeah, we should be able to get some crazy videos with you. I mean, we've teamed up with IKS Exploration. And as always, we're with The Secret Vault. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for more videos. They will be on the way over the next couple of days. I'll try and get this edited and uploaded tonight. So yeah, bear with me. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys.